Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing data and tools. This is how and why it matters. First, copy critical files to an external disk or cloud so you never lose work. Then create a recovery USB using 8 GB or larger media. This lets you boot if the system won't start. Once done, record product keys and account names so reactivation is smooth. Make sure drivers and peripherals are listed. That prevents surprises when you restore drivers and network access. Now you run the recovery sequence and understand why each choice matters. Boot from your USB and pick repair tools to attempt automatic fixes. This targets corrupt boot files and drivers. If automatic repair stalls, use System Restore or Safe Mode to roll back recent changes because these preserve configurations. Reinstall only when repairs fail. Choose the option that keeps your files to avoid total data loss. Once the process finishes, confirm network drive. Finish by bringing the system back to everyday use and know why follow-up matters. Install chipset and network drivers first, then run all OS updates so security patches and stability fixes apply. Restore your files from the backup and confirm apps launch. If instability appears, run stress tests and inspect Event Viewer for error codes to target causes. If problems persist, document the errors, attempt a clean install, or contact a technician. Having specific codes speeds resolution and prevents repeated trial and error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.